Hello, my good class. This is Iga Jimmy Official. I'm back at it again. It's been a while when we are not here, but good enough I'm here. Greetings to my fellow viewers, my colleagues, friends, companions. Thank you for always subscribing. I just need on one thing. You subscribe, you share, you comment, you can also like. You really do me well. So today, as we are still on the continent Africa, Africa is one of the continents making up the whole world or the whole universe, the second largest in the whole world. Those of you that have not been knowing, that is very true, that Africa is the second largest continent after Asia. And Africa, as you know it very well, has the following square kilometers. Africa is 30,335,000 square kilometers. Then the largest, which is Asia, is 43,608,000 square kilometers. Then the smallest, that is Australia, is 7,682,000. So I think you can now know where Africa is and how was Africa really formed. According to geographers, when you are in those of you that are above or that have gone into higher education, we talked about the continental drift. You know how continents were formed. So there is that theory, the process known as continental drifting, that at first, according to one of the geographers, he said that at first the world was one, or there was a large sphere-like landmass, and it was named, or by that time it was called Pangaea, that split into two parts after the gravitational forces acting on it. And that was, these two parts were split, and the one that went into the northern part, that was none other than the Laurasia, and that one that went below or downwards was given a name, Gondwanaland. Yes, our major subtopic today is about the physical features of Africa. I think you can now locate Africa because in my previous videos, when you go back and watch the previous videos, you can now really locate Africa as a continent. So what are some of the physical features that Africa has? Africa, we are blessed that we have a lot of physical features that really help us in the tourism industry, whereby they attract a lot of tourists. So first of all, we have to first define the term a physical feature. My good class, hope you know the definition of the word or the term physical feature. A physical feature is the natural landform of an area, or it may not even be natural, but it can be any landform of an area that gives the earth's surface shape. That is a physical feature. Physical features are of two forms. We have those ones that appear in form of water and those that appear in form of land. So those that appear in form of water, like you can look at this one and this one. You can look at this ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Red Sea, the Mediterranean Sea. Those ones are regarded as drainage features. Then you have those features that appear in form of land. For example, in Africa, we have the Atlas Mountains, we have the Fouta Djallon Plateaus, we have Cameroon Mountain, we have Ahaga Plateau, we have Tibest, and we have the great, you see this great Rift Valley, where it starts from and it comes like that, then it goes up to the southern part of Africa in the region. We have here in Uganda, my motherland, there is that mountain, which is a black mountain known as Rwenzori Mountain. There are many, that's why we say Rwenzori Mountains, because they are categorized in ranges. Then we have this volcanic mountain in Kenya, which is Mount Kenya. Then we have the highest mountain in the whole world, and that is none other than not in the whole world, I'm sorry, the highest mountain in East Africa, and it's a volcanic mountain, that is Mount Kilimanjaro. So such features that appear in form of land, we call them relief features. Now, if I may pose some questions about, these are some of the questions we may answer. For example, what is a physical feature? Give any two forms of physical features. Then, can you mention examples of drainage features of Africa? Can you mention examples of relief features of Africa? And which feature covers the largest part of Africa? We meet again, my good class. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment, and share. Thank you very much. May the good Lord bless you.